What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy back again with another case review. This time we're looking at the Sena Future Folio for the iPad Pro 11-inch tablet. But before we get started, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel so I can keep giving you more great content. So let's get it on. This is the Sena Future Folio. Now, get that open. That's just paper. Just to the side. All right. Let's break it down. Microfiber lining in the back, microfiber lining up here. You get a slot for a credit card or whatever, what have you. You get another slot that you could probably put some paperwork in. On the back, this is a nice leather material. You get a band out front. You can put your pencil out here. Let's go ahead and drop the tablet in, see what we think about it. Now, iPad Pro 11 snaps in nice and snug. Close it. Sleep wake is on deck. See, it's not magnetic. It does flip open. There we go. It is flipping open. I would like for this to be magnetic. I appreciate the little extra step to put a magnetic clasp in there somewhere. But pencil is nice and charging on the outside. Let's make sure we get that charging symbol up top. Boom, Apple Pencil is on deck. You got nice rubberized edges, buttons, nice and tactile. You're not going to be able to have buttons on the side. This side is actually open, so you're going to actually be touching the iPad buttons over here. Down bottom, speaker port, charging port, and speakers up top. Everything looks really, really nice. So overall, I give this tablet probably a 4 out of 5. I would like to have a magnetic clasp right there just to hold it kind of shut. But I'm digging that I can do my charging on my pencil right there. And I can also put my pencil out here for a more secure look on my tablet. So like I said, this is the Sena Future Folio. It comes in tons of colors. You can go by their website and make sure I drop a link below so you can pick one of these up. But they specialize in tablet covers, phone covers that are actually stylish and protective all at the same time. So if you like style, they got tons of colors. If you like the protectiveness, you get nice edges. Everything lines up. Everything's going to be protected. Your tablet, if you drop it, it's going to be good. You're going to be sure that you don't break it. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. Be sure and give me that thumbs up. Until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Remember, I'll leave a link below. You can check it out. Peace.